It's week 4 looking at Martin's cheat sheets. Last week we were looking at descriptive statistics, so frequencies, means, median, mode, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. We're still going to be in this territory this week, but we will be looking at ways to represent the descriptive statistics via graphs. Ooh, right. First we have to start up SPSS. Of course we do, and what do? Edit. Options. It's got them right. Fantastic. And we fire up the BES. Thank you. And we fire up the BES. Not in that folder. And we fire up the BES. Eventually. And we fire up the BES. Right there. We're going to do the variable left right. And as you all remember, it has 9999s in it, so we need to recode it. How did we do that? Transform, recode into different variables, looking for L is for left right, put that over there, left right rec, left right recoded, change old and new values. Value 9999 gets sysmiss, and the others 0 to 10 get copies the old ones, and we're good to go. We now have a new recoded. Thank you very much, SPSS. It's very interesting. Okay. So what does he say? Ensure that we recode it so all the don't knows are removed, no different from what we've done previously. And now and then run a frequency table. How did we run a frequency table? It was analyze descriptive statistics. Come back. Frequencies. L for left right. Left right. Where's it gone? Left right recoded. Pop it over there. Statistics, we wanted to see the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. Continue and click OK. What do we get? See if we've got the same as what Martin has. And we've got a mean of 5.02 and Martin has a mean of 5.02, but yeah, so 5.03. Yeah, okay, we are good to go. Now, what does Marty say? He says it's this is fairly informative, but we can also express the exact same information graphically. So you need to click Graphs and then click Legacy Dialogues and Bar. That should give us a pop-up, and here you choose Simple. You do not change Data in Chart R, but you do click Define. You then choose the variable. Here it's for Martin it's left right real, for me it was left right rec, so let's click L and go down to left right rec. Okay, move that into the category axis and click OK. So as Martin says, after clicking OK, I should get this in my output window. Well, I did, but a very, very long time after clicking OK. There we go. This is the frequencies we saw in the table, just shown as a graph. But there's one problem. We don't actually get the mean and standard deviation. Sometimes we want that as well. The way to get that is to go to Graphs, Legacy Dialogues, and then instead of bar, we choose histogram. And move the variable we want visualized into the variable container again. So left, right, into the variable. Scroll down, Martin. Now click OK, and we get this. Let's see if we do. Got something. So we get the same thing, and now we've got the mean, standard deviation, and the n, the number of observations in it. So, as Martin says, this is the same as before, just as a histogram. Of course, if we were doing an assignment and were to be marked, we would not put in a screenshot as it doesn't look good. We would instead copy in the figure into our document like so. Like how? Well, click on the thing and then right click, copy, spins a little bit, and go to my blank Word document. When I'm there, I'm going to Control V to paste, and magically it appears in the document. Excellent. Good. All right, Martin says there's one other thing we can do that looks nice in a histogram, and that's to add the normal curve, the normal distribution curve. So let's try that. So do graphs, legacy dialog, histograms, and this time I've got display normal curve checked. Okay, and see what happens there. So that will give us the same histogram, but this time it has overlaid the normal distribution, a bell-shaped curve. And if the data were distributed normally, then there wouldn't be any numbers, any blue bits above the black line, and there wouldn't be any white bits below it. They should follow that line exactly. And as we see, the left-right recoded do not quite follow the normal distribution, because those in the middle are rather higher than we would expect if the data were distributed normally. But what happens in life is that data are not distributed normally. Martin explains some of why that's the case in his PDF and in his video as well, which you should watch, and he goes on to do the same thing with gender, which we don't need to do here because now you know how to do it. So that is the end of our 4th session. It's really not that difficult. You can do this stuff.